Okay, good morning, second PC students. Yesterday, what did we learn? Complete the partial fraction integration by partial fractions method completed. So, today let us go to the next topic, integration by parts. Integration by parts. Integration by parts. Integration by parts means u into v, derivative of u into v, at the same way integration of u into v. So integral of f of x into g of x dx. Integral f of x into g of x dx. So f of x is a function and g of x is a another function. So product of two functions. Okay, what is the formula? F of x into integral g of x dx. F of x into integral g of x dx minus integral d by dx of f of x integral g of x dx, the totally again integration with respect to x. Okay, simply u into v dx, already derivative of u into v is a known formula. U into v type is easy to remember. So what is u is equal to what? This is u, this is v. So u into integral v dx minus integral derivative of d by dx of u integral v dx, the total dx plus c. The derivative of u into v is equal to u into v dash plus v into u dash, derivative of u into the remaining function. So here u into integration of v minus integral derivative of u into integral v total dx, both are same. So before finding the problems, first one important topic, important concept is there. So what is the concept? ILATE, I-L-A-T-E, ILATE. What is the meaning? U into v formula. U into v means what? For in example, derivative of u into v. So any function you have to take u and v. So in the integration, compulsory the particular function is taken u and remaining one is v, compulsory, the condition is there. Okay, derivative of u into v taken, you have to take any u, v also your own interest. So in the integration, u is particular function we have to take u. The remaining is automatically, the remaining function is v. Okay, so by using the ILATE, how to take u function and v function by using the ILATE, I-L-A-T-E. What is the ILATE? I means inverse functions. All are functions. Inverse trigonometric function, inverse function, sin inverse x, inverse function. I andre inverse. Inverse is polynomial inverse or trigonometric inverse or any inverse. Next, L means logarithmic functions. L means logarithm function. Logarithm function means what? This is equal to sin inverse x, cos inverse x, these and so on. So logarithms is equal to log x, this type log x type, log x, log 2x, log x whole square, this type. So A is equal to, A means algebraic. Algebraic means constants 1, 2, 3 constant numbers and x square, x cube, these all called algebraic polynomial type. This is T. T means trigonometric. Algebraic means 2, 3 constants and x square plus 1 and so on, this type anamata. Next, trigonometric function. Trigonometric function. Trigonometric functions means sin x, sin square x, sin 2x, these and so on, trigonometric functions. Finally, exponential function. Exponential function. Exponential function means what? E power x, a power x, 2 power x and so on. Exponential functions. First, we have to give the preference inverse function first. For example, u into v formula, two functions are given, integral, two functions are given. That which one is the first preference? U. Which one? We have to take u. First preference inverse function. So next preference inverse function. So without, there is no inverse function means next preference is logarithmic function. So there is no logarithmic functions. Next preference is algebraic. Next preference is trigonometry. One by one you have to check. Okay, any meeting, any politician meetings, first you have to CM. First preference CM. Okay, CM is not come. Okay, CM not come means ministers. First preference. Minister is not come means MLAs. One by one preference. First see inverse function preference. Inverse functions illa andre logarithm function ki priority kodri. Next logarithms kottilla andre inverse kottilla, logarithms kottilla andre automatic algebraic adu u. Idu kuda kottilla andre trigonometric function u anta go. Idu kottilla andre exponential function u anta go. Automatic exponential, any function you have to take u, that remaining function is the v. Automatically remaining function v. First main point you have to select u. It automatically v. This is the main preference. Once again, what is the u into v formula? First u into u and only u. There is no integration and derivative. Integral v ante integration of v minus integral of first derivative of u and integration of v. Ee derivative of u function into integration of v function, both function again we have to integrate this one. The islet, islet means what? Inverse function, sin inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse. Logarithmic function, log x, log 2x, log x whole square, this one. Next, algebraic, 1, 2, 3, any number, negative or positive real number is a algebraic, and x square, this type of. This is a trigonometric function. Trigonometric, friends, sin x, not only sin x, cos x is only not a trigonometric function. Sin 2x, cos 2x also trigonometric functions. The fundamental basic trigonometric functions are sin x, cos x, tan x. This is the main functions. The remaining function reciprocal functions. Cot 2, secant 2, cosecant 2, these three are reciprocal functions. So the sin 2x also trigonometric function, not basic. Sin 2x, sin square, sin cube, all are trigonometric functions. Sin, that's important. Sin or square is not important. Okay, this is the islet. E prakara, this is according to the islet. First we have to select u and go to the by parts formula. Normal, this is integration, this is normal procedure. The what is the substitution method? What is the first one? First exercise direct Second one, substitution method, the second exercise. Third exercise, some particular third exercise, trigonometric identities, integration of trigonometric identities. Fourth exercise, some particular functions, 1 by x square minus a square. Next, fifth one, partial fractions method. Fifth exercise, partial fractions method. These all methods you have to do. Integration means any. First you have to decide integral of v dx. This is which type? Direct method, substitution method, or some particular functions integration method, or you have to decide next integrate. This particular, there is no particular particular integration. This is the compulsory, the partial fractions methods will come. Next are some particular functions methods are will come. There is nothing. Any type of problems, any type of methods will come. Okay, this is the highlight. Next. Okay, na? Exercise 7.6. Integral x into sin x dx. Which one is u? Means first I let I inverse function. In the integration there is no inverse function, so leave it. Next ILATE first inverse function. Inverse function, there is no inverse function in the given integration. So next go to logarithm. L means logarithmics. Logarithms function also not given. So ILA algebraic. What is meant by algebraic? X square constants. So this is u. Automatically the next function is v, u into v. Okay. So what is the formula? U into, what is the formula? U into, what is u? X into integral v minus d by dx of u integral v e dx e integration, have the integration. The next e integration does not have dx, so can write. So that is equal to x into integral sin x. Integral sin x is equal to minus cos x minus integral derivative of x is equal to 1. No. Integral sin x is equal to minus cos x dx. So that is equal to minus x cos x minus into minus plus. So integral cos x is equal to sin x plus c. Simple. So second problem, integral x into sin 2x, homework x square into e power x, x into sin 2x dx. You homework. What is the difference? Same. This is u, this is v. Integral of sin x is equal to minus cos x. Integral of sin 2x is equal to minus cos 2x by 2. That is the difference. Okay. Next, third one, integral x square into e power x dx. I let I inverse L logarithm algebraic u v. So u into x square into integral v dx minus integral derivative of d by dx of x square, d by dx of x square integral e power x dx dx. So that is equal to x square into integration of e power x minus derivative of x square. Derivative of x square is equal to 2x. Integration of e power x is equal to e power x dx. So again u into v formula, because this is x into x variable and another variable. So up to only single we can, it comes only single variable, up to single variable. So x square into e power x minus 2 constant 2. So write big bracket integral x into e power x dx. So this is u into v formula. So that is equal to x square into e power x minus 2 into again u into v formula, u into integral v dx minus integral derivative of u x. So integration of v dx, the total dx. So that is equal to x square into e power x minus 2 into x into integral e power x is equal to e power x minus integral derivative of x is equal to 1 integral e power x is equal to e power x dx. So that is equal to x square into e power x, x square into e power x minus 2 into x into e power x minus 1 into e power x is equal to e power x. So integral e power x plus c. So that is equal to e power x common, x square minus 2x plus 2 plus e. So integral x square into e power x dx is equal to e power x into x square minus 2x plus 2 plus c. Simple. Okay, shortcut method, x square into some x in terms of x square, x cube, x power, that type of problems. The shortcut method is e power x into x square minus derivative of x square, e power x, first x square minus derivative of x square plus d square y by dx square of x square. So e power x into x square derivative 2x. So double derivative, first derivative, second order derivative, x square derivative 2x, 2x derivative 2. So plus 2. This is the shortcut method. Alternative signs, derivative of first function, same function, minus derivative of first function plus derivative of second function. This is the simple method. This is the u into v formulas. In the integration by parts, it comes 99%, 100%. It comes 100% in your examination on 3 marks question. Compulsory question in by parts, partial fractions, compulsory question in your examination. Okay, this is. So we have to given x square. X square means how many times have to apply integration by parts? 2 times. The x cube into e power means how many times we have to apply u into v formula? 3 times. X cube means 3 times. X power 4 means 4 times. Okay. The x square into something, x square into sin x, x square into e power x, x square into any function ಈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರು ಅಂದರೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿಗ 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ x square derivative x square degree is 2 power 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ u into v ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದಿ derivative 2 times. So first here this is one time u into v formula, this is again apply the u into v formula. Okay, so Okay, highlight all important, all are important. Next one, x into log x. Next integral, next fourth problem, x square into log x. How many times we have to apply the formula? 2 times. How many times? 2 times, because x square maximum 90%. Okay, so remaining percent this problem only one time, because derivative of log x 1 by x. So what is u? Ilet, I L A T E. First inverse. There is no inverse function. Next L, logarithmic function. So what is u? Log u. This is v. Okay, by the ilet. So u into, by first formula, u into log x into integral v x square v dx minus integral d by dx of log x into integral x square dx total dx. So log x into x square integration x cube by 3, the integration of x power n is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus integral derivative of log x 1 by x into integral x square x cube by 3 plus dx plus c. So that is equal to x cube by 3 into log x minus 1x cancel. So 1 by 3 constant integral x square dx. X cancel 1 by 3. So that is equal to x cube by 3 into log x minus 1 by 3 into integral x square is equal to x cube by 3 plus c, or common x cube by 3. Same, both are same. Next fifth one, integral x log x dx. Sixth one, integral x into log 2x dx. We both are homework, same as it is. X into log x, x into log 2x. We both are same method. Next seventh one, integral log x dx. Only single function. Integral log x dx is equal to only log x is single function, only single. So we have to integral 1 by x log x. So integral log x, there is no answer. So this is integral log x into 1 dx. Okay na? Integral log x dx is equal to integral log x into, there is no another function, that second function is taken as 1 into any function, any number into 1 is equal that number, that value does not change. So what is u? I inverse, L logarithms. So this is u, this is v. What is the u into v formula? U into, so that is equal to log x into integral v dx minus integral d by dx of log x into integral 1. U means what? U is equal to 1 dx, the totally dx. So that is equal to log x into integral 1 x, integral 1 means x power 0. X power 0 is equal to x power 0 plus 1 by 0 plus 1 minus integral derivative of log x is equal to 1 by x, integral 1 x dx, x cancel, first x into log x into log x minus integral 1 dx. X cancel, the remaining one integral 1 dx is equal to x plus c. So therefore integral log x dx is equal to x into log x minus 1 plus c, or x log x minus x, or x common, x into log x minus 1 plus c. Okay. Next important one, x into sine inverse x. So seventh problem, integral x into sine inverse x dx, x into sine inverse x dx. What is u? Islet. According to the islet, what is I? Inverse. So inverse, sine inverse x is called inverse function. So this is u, this is v. Formula: u into sine inverse x into integral v dx minus integral derivative of u d by dx of sine inverse x into integral v integral x dx, the totally dx. So that is equal to sine inverse x into integral x is equal to x square by 2, integral x is equal to x square by 2 minus derivative of sine inverse x is equal to 1 by root of x square minus 1, no, 1 by root of x square minus 1, no. So derivative of x is equal to x square by 2 dx. Integral of x is equal to x square by 2. So that is equal to x square by 2 into sine inverse x, minus 1 by 2 constant integral x square. X square can be minus 1 plus 1. X square is equal to what? X square is equal to x square minus 1 plus 1. This minus 1 plus 1 cancel. So minus 1 plus 1. So that by root of x square minus 1 dx. So there is no gap. Next okay. That is equal to x square by 2 into sine inverse x minus integral divide. This is the first term and second term. So x by root x is equal to what? Root x. X by root x is equal to x by root x, root x. Here x is equal to what? X square minus 1 by root of x square minus 1. So x square minus 1 by root of x square minus 1 is equal to root of x square minus 1. Root of x square minus 1 dx. We minus, so take big bracket, plus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 into plus 1 by root of x square minus 1. So that is equal to x square by 2 into sin inverse x minus 1 by 2 into integral root of x square minus 1 dx. ఈ మైనస్ ఇంటూ ప్లస్ మైనస్ 1 by 2 into integral root of 1 by x square minus 1 dx. So that is equal to x square by 2 into sin inverse x minus 1 by 2 into formula. At the formula, integral root of x square minus a square dx is equal to x by 2 into root of x square minus a square plus a square by 2 into log mod x plus root of x square minus a square. The formula. So 1 by 2 into x by 2 into root of x square minus 1 plus a square by 2. Here a is equal to 1 square. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into log mod x plus root of x square minus 1, no, this one. So minus 1 by 2 into integral 1 by root of x square minus 1. Integral 1 by root of x square minus 1 is equal to log mod x plus root of x square minus 1 plus c. Okay, this is minus 1 by 2, this is minus 1 by 2, so this is the answer, x into sin inverse x. Sin inverse x, derivative of sin inverse x is equal to 1 by root of, this is 1 minus x square, 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So this is convert into sin inverse derivative in 1 by root of 1 minus x square. This is convert into this is minus plus 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 minus x square. Minus x square minus 1. So 1 cancel, 1 minus 1 cancel, minus into plus minus. So this is also 1 minus x square. So x square by 2 into sin inverse x, x square by sin inverse x. So plus 1 by 2 into root of 1 minus x square, root of 1 minus x square. So plus minus 1 by 2, this is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square, root of 1 minus x square. Derivative of sin inverse x is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Okay, so that is equal to x square by 2 into sin inverse x plus 1 by 2 into formula, in formula root of integral root of a square minus x square dx is equal to x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse x by a plus c. This is the formula. Okay, so x by 2, here x is equal to x, So x by 2 into root of 1 minus x square plus a square by 2 into a square by 2, here a is equal to what? 1. 1 by 2 into sine inverse x by a plus into minus 1 by 2 into integral 1 by root of 1 minus x square is equal to sine inverse x plus c. So here sine inverse x common. Sine inverse x common x square by 2 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. X sinus is common. X square by 2, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. So that is equal to, this is this one, this one, this one. So plus x by 4 into root of 1 minus x square plus c. So that is equal to sine inverse x LCM 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4 LCM 4 2x square minus 1 plus x by 4 into root of 1 minus x square plus c. This formula you next exercise, next after 2 exercises, okay, will come after 2 exercises, okay. So only formula you have to remember, apply this formula, okay. Any doubt, you have any doubt, tomorrow I will explain once again. And homework, which one is homework? Integral x into cos inverse x dx. X into cos inverse x dx. This is the homework problem, and tomorrow continue the by parts, and some more important topic is there, okay. Thank you.